Hello students, welcome to this session. Now in this one, now let us start the session with reasoning. Now question number 1 onwards. Now 7 people were there, they are seated around a circular table, facing the center is clearly given. As facing the center is clearly given, చెప్పండి ఫస్ట్ గ్లాన్స్లో ఇది మనం చేయొచ్చా లేదా లేకపోతే ఇది సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ కింద అయినా పెడతారా. Now this must be the first priority. There is no other parameter added to this one. And at the same time, గట్టి చూస్తే 5 స్టేట్మెంట్లు కూడా లేవు. Isn't it? Hence 5 questions are based on this small information. Hence we have to start right from this one. Then your time starts now. Start working out this. Done. Mahesh, good. Is done. Now my time starts now. Then coming to this one, how many persons are there? 7 people. 7 people ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలి చెప్పుకోండి. Now 1, 2, remaining 5 people, 1, 2, 3 this side and 2 this side. And only 2 people between A and B. A ki B ki మధ్య ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చెప్పండి. Exactly 2 people. If A is here, 1, 2, B will be here. First possibility. And in the second possibility, 7 people were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If A is here, 2 people between A and B, B will be here. There are 2 different possibilities. Then coming to this one, C sits second to the right of B. B ki second right lo C, and C sits second to the right of B, and D sits to the immediate left of C. D is to the immediate left of C. Here D is to the immediate left of C. And only one person between D and F. One person between D and F, hence here it must be F. One person between D and F, F can be either here or here, 2 possibilities in the second case. F is not an immediate neighbor of A, F cannot be here, hence F must be at this place. And next one, G sits to the immediate right of E. G and E are adjacent to each other. In this case, G and E are adjacent to each other is completely ruled out. This case is ruled out. G sits to the immediate right of E. This is G and this will be E. Done with this? Now this is the final arrangement we have. Then coming to this one, A, C, D, B, F, G, E is the order. Then what is the position of F with respect to E? Then question number 1. Tell me what is the position of F with respect to E? 1, 2, second to the right. Now second to the right, that is given in choice 1, question number 1. Then coming to question number 2. Second one. 4 of the following 5 is nothing but an odd man out. Four of the following a particular pattern, one is different. Then coming to this one, A and D. Now between A and D there is exactly one person. Between D and G, how many people are there? 2 or 3. And in between G and B there is exactly one person except choice 2. And in the remaining choices, okay, there is exactly one person, but whereas in D and G, in choice 2 there are more than 2 persons. Then coming to this one, question number 3. How many people between C and G when counted from the left of G? How many people are in between C and G when counted from the left of G? Yes, tell me how many people are there? Now between G and C when counted from the left of G, then 1, 2, there are 2 people in between. 2, that is choice 1, question number 3. Then fourth one, which of the following is not true? Question number 4. Which of the following is not true? Not true means it is nothing but false. Which of the following is definitely false as per the given arrangement? Which of the following is definitely false? Then coming to this one, which of the following is false? E is an immediate neighbor of C and C are immediate neighbors. That is definitely false. And only one person between C and F. In between C and F, one person. That is false, isn't it? Only one person between C and F. That is definitely false. And what is the next one we have? G is seated second to the left of B. G is seated second to the left of B. Definitely true. Hence only A and B. That is choice one. Question number 4. Then coming to question number 5. Yes, question number 5. If all the people are made to sit as per the English alphabetical order starting from A in the clockwise direction, the positions of how many people will remain unchanged as compared to their original positions excluding A? Information clearly specified. We are not supposed to count this A now. In yesterday's paper we had discussed one question of this model, but whereas at that place excluding A is not given. Okay. Then coming to this one, starting with A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Is there anything else? No, none. That is choice one. Rather than rewriting this one, you have to count from here. ఇంకొకసారి రాసి చెక్ చేసుకునే బదులు ఏం చేస్తాను చెప్పండి, ఏ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. బి మ్యాచ్ అయిందా లేదో చూడండి. సి, డి, ఈ, ఎఫ్, జి ఏది మ్యాచ్ కాలేదు కాబట్టి నన్ను ఈజ్ ద ఆన్సర్. Clear now? Now this is about question numbers 1 to 5. The first 5 are based on this. Then coming to the next one, question numbers 6 onwards. Now question number 6 onwards, it is based on boxes. అవునా కదండి, బాక్సెస్ కాబట్టి తర్వాత చేద్దామా, బాక్సెస్ తర్వాత చేసుకుందాం. Then 11 onwards, start working with this one, question number 11. Your time starts now, 11 onwards. Now what are the questions we have left now? 6 to 10 are the questions we have left. అది మనం రాసుకుందాం. Reasoning, what is left over here? And 6 to 10. Now 6 to 10, they are boxes. We have left this one. Then we are starting with 11 onwards. Next 11th one done. Then coming to question number 11. The positions of the first and the third digits within each number are interchanged. Which are the following will be the second largest unknown? Hence, which digit is coming to the first place? This is 53839. Second largest will be 568. 568, that is choice 5. Follow here. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేసాం, మనకి ఫస్ట్ అండ్ థర్డ్ డిజిట్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అవుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఏ డిజిట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లోకి వస్తుంది? 5 వస్తుంది, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? థర్డ్ డిజిట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లోకి వస్తుంది కనుక థర్డ్ డిజిట్స్ అన్ని రాసుకున్నాం. 5, ఇందులో థర్డ్ డిజిట్ 3, ఇక్కడ 8, 3, 9. ఇందులో సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ అడిగాడు కాబట్టి 9తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది, హైయెస్ట్ అవుతుంది. సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ ఏమో 8 అవుతుంది. హెన్స్ 568 is the answer. For this one, there is no necessity for you to write down the entire number. Done with this 11th one. Then coming to question number 12. Now in this question number 12, start working out this 12th one. Your time starts now. Done with this? Then what will be the resultant of the third digit of the smallest number? What is the smallest number here? Smallest number is 568. Now in this one, third digit is 8. Is multiplied with the second digit of the largest number. Largest number is 973. Second digit is 7. 8 into 7, 56. Choice 1, question number 12. 12th one, it is choice 1, 56. Then coming to question number 13. Question number 13. Now in this, if all the digits within each number are arranged in the descending order, which of the following will be the largest? Descending order means now we need to start with the highest number at the first place. ఇక్కడేమో 6 వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడేమో 9 వచ్చింది, and ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి, highest digit 8, this is 8, this is 9. Now between these two, this is 973 and 975. 973, 975, which is the highest here? 759. 759, and it is choice 2. Clear now? 759, choice 2 is the answer. ఎలా చేస్తున్నాం చెప్పండి ఇది? Now the digits are arranged in the descending order అన్నాడు. డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటే హైయెస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లోకి రావాలి. ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లో ఒక్కొక్క నెంబర్లో హైయెస్ట్ డిజిట్ రాస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడేమో 6 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 9, ఇక్కడ 8, ఇక్కడ 8, ఇక్కడ 9. కనుక 2 9లు వచ్చాయి ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్. కనుక ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదో ఒకటి హైయెస్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ మనకి డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ పెడితే 975 వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడేమో 973 వచ్చింది. రెండిట్లో హైయెస్ట్ ఏది చెప్పండి? 975. 975 దేని నుంచి వస్తుంది? 759, చాయిస్ 2, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 13. Done. Then coming to 14. 14th one. Yes, Hemant Kumar. Yes, there is a lag from question to question in the examination. అది మీకే కదండి, అందరికీ ఉంది. కనుక దాని గురించి పెద్దగా వర్రీ అవ్వాల్సిన పని అయితే లేదు. That lag is common for all the students across the country and across the slots as well. Then coming to this one, as question number 14. As 14th one, tell me what is the answer we have. If 1 is subtracted from the third digit of every odd number 1 is subtracted, this is 4, this will be 3, and this will be 2, and this is 8, and 1 is added to the third digit of every even number, now this is 9, then how many numbers thus found will be divisible by 2? Now 2 తో డివైడ్ అవ్వాలంటే ఎన్ని అవ్వాలి చెప్పండి? 1 2, there are 3 digits, isn't it? 1 2 3. Done. 3, that is choice 3 is the answer, question number 14. Then now this is 4. Now ఇక్కడ కూడా వస్తుంది కదా. Now ఇక్కడ -1 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి more than 3, choice 5. It is more than 3, choice 5 is the answer. అసలు ఇక్కడ మనం చూడండి, అంత చేయవలసిన పనే లేదు ఇక్కడ మనకి. ఎందుకు పని లేదు ఇక్కడ మనకి? లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చేయడం thus found will be divisible by 2 అన్నాడు. డివిజిబుల్ బై 2 అవ్వాలంటే ఏమవ్వాలి? లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ మస్ట్ బి ఈవెన్ నెంబర్. ఉన్న ఆడ్ నెంబర్లు అన్నీ ఏమవుతున్నాయి? ఆడ్ అన్నీ మనకి -1 అయితే ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఈవెన్. కనుక ఆడ్ నెంబర్లు ఎన్నో కౌంట్ చేయండి. 1 2 3 4. హెన్స్ 4 ఈజ్ ద ఆన్సర్, మోర్ దాన్ 3, చాయిస్ 4. ఇక్కడ ఈవెన్ డిజిట్ మనకి మారిపోతుంది. -1 అయిందా +1 అయినా ఇది ఆడ్ డిజిట్ అయిపోతుంది. కనుక లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఈవెన్ ఉన్నది 4 నెంబర్లే. హెన్స్ మోర్ దాన్ 3, చాయిస్ 5. డన్. నో నీడ్ టు కౌంట్ దిస్ వన్ ఎట్ ఆల్, అవసరమే లేదు. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 14. Then coming to question number 15. As 15th one, start working out this 15. As last digit must be even. Last digit even అవ్వాలంటే మనకి ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అయితే -1 అయితే లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఈవెన్, +1 అయినా లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఈవెన్. Then question number 15. Done with this 15th one. Now in this question number 15, the positions of the first and the second digits of each of the numbers are interchanged. What will be the resultant if second digit of the smallest number? Now second digit is coming to the first place కాబట్టి ఇది 3 అవుతుంది, ఇదేమో 7 అయింది, ఇదేమో 6 అయింది, ఇది 4 అయింది, this is 5. Then which is the highest here? Now this is the highest. The smallest, and thus formed if second digit of the smallest number. What is the smallest number here? 635. ఇందులో మనకి సెకండ్ డిజిట్ ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? 6 is the second digit. Now this 6 is divided by third digit of the largest number. ఇది largest number ఉంది, third digit ఏమో 3 ఉంది. 6 divided by 3 is how much? 2 is the answer, choice 1. Clear now? Hence 15th one, it is choice 1 is the answer. Hence as of now we have done 10 questions and 16 onwards. Now question number 16, it is an individual question, single mark. Then start working out this one, 16. Question number 16. Hope you have done this. Then what is the number we have? 6394725. Now if all the digits 725, now all the digits in the number are arranged in the descending order. That means highest to the lowest. 9765432. Then how many digits will remain at the same place? Same place ఏదైనా ఉందని మనకి no. There is no digit. That is none. That is choice to question number 16. సరిపోయిందండి 16th one it is choice. Not even a single digit remain at the same place. 16. Then coming to 17. Now 17th one, now it is a set. Now in this set, what is the information here? 7 people on 7 different days. No other parameter added to this one. Direct ga cheyocha leda? Yes. Then start working out this one. Now how many questions were given under this one? 5 questions. Yes, 5 questions were given under this. Start working out this 17 to 21. Is done. Yes, fine. Now in this one 17 to 21, starting with Monday and ending on Sunday. Hence Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now in this case, more than 3 people play a match before A. A కన్నా ముందు ఎంతమంది చెప్పండి? More than 3 is clearly given. More than 3 means 4, 5 or 6. అంతే కదా? 4, 5 or 6 is the information we have. More than 3 people. More than 3 people before. More than 3 into 4 people. Now before whom? Before A. A ఎక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు, ఎక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు, Sunday అయినా ఉండొచ్చు. And next one, D plays a match immediately after A. As D is immediately after A, D is sir. Hence there are only 2 possibilities. D is at this place. And next one, only 3 people plays a match between D and E. D ki E ki matlab exactly 3 people, E is here. In this case, 1, 2, 3, E is here. And next one, more than 3 people play a match between B and F. B ki F ki matlab more than 3. And more than 3, BRF 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. BRF or BRF. More than 3 people. ఇక్కడ మనకి BRF రాసుకుంటే at the most ఎక్కడికి వస్తుంది కాబట్టి more than 3 is not possible. This is ruled out. Done with this? As this is ruled out. And next one, and B plays on one of the days before G. B is on one of the days before G, hence B is here. Hence F will be here. B is on one of the days before G. And at the same time, C plays on one of the days before G. C is on one of the days before G. This is what the information we have. And so what is the final arrangement? BE and BE. And only 3 people played a match. And B plays on one of the days before G. C plays on one of the days after C. Sorry. And C is on one of the days after G. Hence GC is the order. Then coming to this one, the arrangement is BE, GC, ADF. Hence, as many people played a match after A there are 2. Before G there are 2. Before G, that is choice 3. Clear now? Before G it is choice 3, question number 17. Then 18th one. Now in this question number 18, start working out this one, 18th one. How many people play a match after F? How many people play a match after F? Now after F, tell me how many people are there? There is no one, isn't it? None. That is choice 3. Question number 18. The 19th one. Who among us the following plays a match on Thursday? We need to identify the person who plays a match on Thursday. Who among the following plays a match on Thursday? Straight question here. On Thursday, tell me how many people are there? On Thursday, who is that person? C is that person. Choice 2. Question number 19. 19th one, it is choice 2. Then 20th. Now question number 20. Which of the following is true as per the given information? Which of the following is true as per the given information? Then in this, which of the following is true? C played a match on one of the days after A. C after A, that is false. And next one, G played a match on Tuesday, that is again false. And choice for no one played a match before E. Before E there is no one, that is again false. Only two people between D and G. In between D and G there are exactly two people, that is definitely true. Choice 5. Question number 20. 20th is choice 5. Then question number 21 is also based on this one. 4 out of the following. Yes, in this 4 out of the following, tell me what is your answer here? B and G. Now B and G, there is one person between these two. C and D, there is one person, and between C and E, there is one person. B and F, B and F, hence more than one person. Hence, except choice 4. The remaining are of the same pattern. Clear now? Hence, question number 21, it is choice 4 is the answer. Then, coming to question number 22 onwards, how many questions were given under this one? 22 to 26, isn't it? Are the 5 questions? And sorry, 22 to, how many were there? Only 3 questions. Now 3 questions were based on this one, based on what? Certain number. Certain number, let's work out at the last. Second priority, 22 to 24. Now this is about certain. Now whatever the questions we feel is little bit difficult. Now we are leaving at the last and we are working at the starting. Easy ఉన్నవన్నీ ముందు చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం. Done with this? Then 25 onwards. Now question number 25. Your time starts now. It is an individual question, single question. Twenty-five. Now in this 25, in a certain code language, the word broke, B-R-O-K-E, broke. Write down the code below this one, CSPLF, CSPLF. And similarly, what is the code to the word newly? Now in this word newly, B plus 1C, R plus 1S, O plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. To each of these letters, one letter is added. And similarly to this one also, one is added. N plus 1 O, F, W, X, L, M, Y, Z. O, F, X, M, Z. And it is choice 5. Next letter to each of these letters. That is question number 25. Then 26. Now 26 onwards, it is based on blood relations. Now how many questions were given under this one? 26 to 28. Yes, 3 questions were given under this one. 26 to 28. Done? Yes. Try to work out this one, 26 to 28. Is done? Fine. Now, A is the brother of B. How to represent this one? A is the brother of B. A is here. Now this A is the brother of B. And next one, B is married to the only daughter of C. Now this B is married to the only daughter of C, that female. Now B is a male. Only daughter of whom? Only daughter of C. And C is married to the only son of F. Now the C got married to whom? Now the C is married to a male. That male is the only son of whom? Only son of F. Isn't it? Now C is married to the only son of F. And next one, C is married to the only son of F. G is the only daughter of F. Now this G is the only daughter of F. G is the only daughter of F. And next one, H is the only sibling of G. Hence C and H are married couple. C is a female. J is the only child of H. J is the only child of H, then J must be at this place. J is the only child of F. Done with this one? Then next, coming to this one, question number 26. How is J related to B? Tell me, how is J related to B here? And now J is the wife that is choice 3, question number 26. 26 it is choice 3. Then 27. Now in this question number 27, if D is the only child of J, what about this D? D is the only child of J. How is A related to D? Then coming to this, D is the only child of J means D is here. The gender of this D is not known. How is A related to D means D's father is B, father's brother, that is parent's brother, uncle. Uncle, that is given in choice 2. Question number 27, it is choice 2. Then 28. How is C related to Z? How is C related to Z? Now from G to C, G's brother is H, brother's wife is sister-in-law. And sister-in-law, that is choice 3. Clear now? With this, we have done the first 20 questions in this reasoning paper. Now leaving out the difficult questions. What are the questions we have left over? 6 to 10 boxes and 22 to 24 certain number of questions in a row. Now these 8 questions let us work out in the second slot. Okay. Now over to quant session now.
Dear students, let's start our quant session. Question number 41 onwards. Yes. So here it is, analysis, data analysis. We can comfortably start these questions. I hope you can clearly see these numbers. Distribution of total number of burgers, vegetarian and non-vegetarian, sold by 5 outlets. A, B, C, D, E were mentioned. And here is your time starts now. Yes. Now, out of number of burgers sold by outlet C, 24 percentage, 24 into 2, that is 48. Leave it like that. Ratio between vegetarian and non-vegetarian burgers was 7:5. What was the number of vegetarian? 7 parts out of 12 parts. That is 7 out of 12. 12 2 times. 28 is our answer, which is third option. Next, question number 42. Your time starts now. Should not take this much time. What is a central angle? Stop. Whenever it is central angle, answer must be a multiple of 9. This is not 9 multiple, not 9 multiple, not 9 multiple. 54 final answer. That is our final one. Just go for 9 multiple because 1% is equal to 3.6 degrees. It is 9 multiple. So whatever percentage, answer should be 9 multiple. Next. Here is your next question. The number of burgers sold by outlet E in May 2017 increased by 40% as compared to the previous month. What is the number of burgers sold in the month of May? Right, E, it is 25%, which is equal to 50. 40% increase, that means 20 should increase. Value is 70, which is third option, final answer. And here is your next question. What is the difference between total number of burgers sold by C and E together, that is 49%, and outlet D, when you subtract 16%, that is 33%, where 1% is equal to 2, 66 must be the answer, which is third option. 33% of 200, 1% value 2, so 33 2 times. And the next question. Out of number of burgers sold by outlet A, one fourth it is 5% were vegetarian burgers. What was the number of non-vegetarian? See, if you subtract 5%, that is 15%, where 1% is equal to 2. 15 2 times 30 is our answer, which is equal to fourth option, final answer. Yes, fourth option. Yes, from 46 onwards we have arithmetic questions. So let's count 5 questions. 46 onwards we have these questions. Yes, 56 onwards. Now, from 46 we have arithmetic questions, and from 56 we have Q1 and Q2s. Let's hold Q1 and Q2s also. And yes, from 59 onwards we have quadratic equations. We can start these questions. Come on, start. Right. So minus 6 minus 3 is the combination. Then factors are plus 6 plus 3. And this is plus 2 or minus 2. X is greater than Y. X greater than Y. Third option is our final answer. And here is your next question. Yes, it's a free question. It's a free question. Both the C values are negative. Relation cannot be established is our final answer, which is third option. It is a free question. Both the C value is negative, so relation cannot be established. Next. And now your time starts. 3 into 8, 24, plus 4 plus 6 is the combination. Factors are minus 4 minus 6 divided by coefficient of x square. Y square is equal to 4, y is equal to plus or minus. Now, this is minus 1 by 3 and this is minus 2. First of all, positive number, negative numbers, x is less than y. Minus 1 by 3 minus 2, x is greater than y. Relation cannot be established, must be the final answer. Because wherever you see less than condition as well as greater than condition, relation cannot be established, should be the final answer. Yes, next wrong number series questions. We must hold wrong number series questions. Wrong number series. Right. And let's count 5 questions. Yes, only 4 we have, 65. From 66 onwards, yes, we have numerical ability. Definitely we can answer these questions. Never touch wrong number series. Give last priority. Hold. Yes, perfect. Should be enough. 20 seconds. Left hand side we have under root value x by 0.25. When you square both sides, right hand side you'll get 2100. So x is equal to 81 into 25, which is equal to 25 8 times and then 2 times. 2025 is our final answer. 2025 first option. Otherwise 81 is 9 multiple, answer must be 9 multiple. First option 9 multiple, second cannot be your answer, third cannot be your answer, fourth cannot be your answer, fifth cannot be your answer. Directly you can multiply. Otherwise go for 9 multiplication. Next. And here is your next question. For previous question, direct multiplication or 9 multiple works. Yes. Now 6 cube to the power of 2 by 3, that is 6 square, which is 36 into 81 is equal to 3 power x by 4 we have. 4 9 times. 9 can be written as 3 square and the other number 3 power 4, which is equal to 6. Fifth option final answer. Fifth option is our final answer. Next. 68 and here is your time. Yes. 3, 2 times 0, 4 times. 5 goes to the other side. That becomes, take 10 times and make it half. 1, 0, 2, 0. From this, 140 goes to right hand side, becomes minus 140. And the answer is equal to 880, which is fourth option, final answer. Fourth option is our final answer, 880. Fourth, correct. Next. And here you go for the next question. This number goes to the other side and becomes plus. 40%, 10% double double, which is equal to 56. Answer, this value is equal to 104, which is 26%. 1% is by 26, 100% is into 100. 26 4 times, answer 400. Fifth option is our final answer. Fifth option. And next question. Yes, here it is 250 goes to the other side. 50 4 times and then 5 times, 4 by 5. Second option is our final answer. 4 by 5. And the next questions, your time starts. Nine power 7 divided by 9 square, that is 9 power 5 into 9 power 5, 9 power 10. 9 can be written as 3 square to the power of 2, the 3 square to the power of 10, 3 power 20. Fourth option is our final answer. 20. Fourth option is our answer. And next question. Yes, 6 cube is equal to 216. 40% of which number is 216? To get 1 percentage divided by 40 and 100 percentage into 100. This entire value must be here. And from this, if you subtract 255.8, you'll get your answer. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 454 times. 540 minus this number. Answer must end with 4.2. There is only one option which is ending with 4.2. Fifth option is our final answer. Fifth option. I am just verifying last digit. 54 into 10, 540. This is very clear. Number ending with 0. From that we are subtracting 5.8. From 0 if you subtract 5.8, answer must end with 4.2 and there is only one such option. And next question is here. Yes, this is 24 divided by 0.4. I'll write it as 4 by 10. 4 6 times and then is 0. 60. Fifth option is our answer. 60. And here is your time for the next question. Squaring on both sides, x plus under root 6, 36 6, which is equal to 12 square 144. 6 goes to the other side, that means you have to subtract 6. Answer 138. First option is our final answer. First option 138. And your next question starts. Yes, 12 square, that is equal to 144. That will come to left hand side. Already we have 268.4 negative number. When you add both, that is equal to 412.4. Now we have to subtract it from 541.2. 500 minus 400, that is equal to 100. 41.2 minus 12.4, which is equal to 28.8, 128.8. Fourth option is our final answer. Fourth option, 128.8. Yes, that's good. And next question, 76 onwards. Yes, we have a caselet. Look at the data. Only two paragraphs are there and seems it is easy. If you are not confident, then hold this set and again start doing reasoning questions. If you are confident and habituated to solve caselet questions, then complete this. Yes. So here we have data following total number of positions in two companies AB. Okay. So total employees is equal to male and female. Employees male or female is equal to male graduate employees and then female graduate employees. So it is very clear that we are going to have AB employees, and out of which there will be male employees and female employees, and at the same time among male and female we are going to have graduates and non-graduates. So this is going to be the structure. So now take some time and try to fill the table. Your time starts now. Do remember, this season is caselet season. So be mentally prepared that you are going to see caselet in your examination. Yes. In company A, 40% of total number of employees are female. If 40% are female here, male are 60%, out of which 60% are graduates. 60% of 40%, that is 24. 24% are graduates. Then remaining 16% are not graduates. 45% of total number of employees are male graduates. Male graduates, that is 45%. Out of 60, 45 is here. Remaining 15% should come here. There are 1050 male non-graduate employees. If this value is equal to 1050, each number should be multiplied by 70. That means total we have 7000. Out of 7000, 60%. Yes, let me change the color. Yes, 40%, that is 10% double, 2800, and remaining 4200 comes here. 1050, when you subtract it, here you will have 3150. Out of this, to convert 24% to number into 70, it is, that is 1680, and here you get 1120. Next, total number of male are 2000 more than the total number of female. Total number of right in the same company, 60% of the total employees are graduates. There is something else is missing. Total number of employees in company A are 40% more than that in company B. Then here 5000 should come here. Total male are 2000 more than total female. So female are 1500 and male are 3500. Next, 60% of total number of employees are male graduates. 60% of this number, that is 3000. Male graduates 3000 out of 3500. So 500 should come here. Number of female graduates in company B are 2/5 of male graduates. 1/5 of male graduates 600, 2/5, that is equal to 1200. Then remaining difference is 300. Yes, we are done with the table. Now these questions becomes easy. Come on, start. Should not take much time now. 20 seconds is more than enough. What is the respect ratio between male graduate employees in company A and that in company B? Male graduates 3150 3000 00 cancel 15 21 times 20 times 21 20. Second option is our final answer. Second option. Next, let me complete this, then I'll explain. And here is your next question. What percent of total employees in company B are female? Company B 5000 people we have. 1500 is 30 percentage, which is first option, final answer. 30 percentage, first option. 30 percentage, first option. Yes, I'll explain a table once again. Let us first finish these questions. Come on. మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తానండి. Number of male non-graduate employees in company A. Company A male non-graduates, that is 1050, is how many more than female non-graduate employees in company B? Company B female non-graduates. That means difference between these two numbers 1050 minus 300 750. Third option is our final answer. Third option is our answer. రైట్. ఎగ్జామ్లో నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్కి వెళ్ళటానికి టైం పడుతుంది అని అంటే మనం ఏం చేయలేమమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు దానికోసం మనం మన సిస్టమ్ని స్లో చేయలేం. సో ఐ డూ అగ్రీ బికాస్ ద సర్వర్ నీడ్ టు work for so many clients and maybe those systems are old systems. N number of factors are there. Next question, and here is your time. What is the total number of female graduate employees in company A and B? Female graduate employees 1680 and then 1200. 2880 is our answer, which is fifth option. 2880. And here is your time. Number of female graduate employees in company B. Company B female graduate employees 1200. Approximately what percent less than that in company A? In company A 1680 we have, and now 1200. That is 480 less. 480 less than 1680. 10 percentage into 100. 10% 168. 30 percentage is 490 something. As it is slightly less than that, answer must be less than 90 but close to that. 29 percentage. First option is our final answer. It is close to 30% but less than that. Now, few people are asking us to explain the table again. Let me finish it. Yes. Now, this is our structure. Come on, let's see. In company A, 40% of total employees is female. So total employees, out of them 40% are female. Then male are 60%. Then only total will give you 100%. Out of which, that means out of 40%, 60% are graduates. 60% of this number, that is equal to 24%. If they are graduates out of 40, remaining 16% must be non-graduates. And 45% of total number of employees are male graduates. 45% of the total meaning 45%. Male graduates. Male graduates, that is 45%. Male are 60, we already have 45. Then remaining is 15% here. These are 1050 male non, there are 1050 male non-graduate employees. Male non-graduate employees, these are 1050. That means 1% is equal to 1050 by 15, which is equal to 70. Now 15 3 times is 45. 1050 3 times in the sense, that is 3150. 24% in the sense, 24 into 70, that is equal to 1680. 20 into 7 140, 4 into 7 28, 140 28 168. As you have a 0 here, you'll write 0. 16 into 70. Now 16, 10 into 7 70, 6 into 7 42, 70 42 1120. Now if 1% is equal to 7000, total 100% is 7000. 1% is 70, total 100% is 7000. Total number of employees in company A is 40% more than company B. If it is 140%, 1% is equal to 7000 by 140, that is 50. Then B value is 100%. 50 into 100, that is 5000. Next, total number of male employees is 2000 more than female. As it is difference 2000, first subtract 2000 from here. You get 3000. Let's equally divide. 1500 plus 1500. As condition says male are 2000 more. 1500 plus 2000, that is 3500. That value comes here. 60% of total number of employees are male graduates. 60% of the total, 3000, they are male graduates. Male graduates 3000. Total male are 3500. Out of them 3000 is already here. Then remaining 500 should come here. Number of female graduate employees. Female graduate employees. This value are 2/5 of male graduate employees in the same company. Male graduates are 3000. 1/5 of this number 600. 2/5 is 1200. So out of 1500, if 1200 are here, then the remaining value is 3000 here. Sum of these two numbers is equal to 1500. Sum of these two numbers is equal to 3500. And everywhere it is. Total number of female graduates. So once the table is prepared, now you can immediately answer all these questions. Yes, 40% more. Idenamma. 40% more ante 140% ఉంటారు. ఏలో 140% ఉంటారు, బిలో 100% ఉంటారు. ఇలా రాయటం అనేది మీకు టైం వేస్ట్ ప్రాసెస్. 50 టైమ్స్ అయింది. 100% అంటే 100 into 50, that is equal to 5000. That's what. Yes. So now we are done with all the questions except 62 onwards, wrong number series, 46 onwards arithmetic, 56 onwards Q1 and Q2 questions. So now here is the time you need to stop arithmetic section and go to reasoning and complete questions over there in reasoning section. So I'm handing over the session to reasoning Sesi sir, and when I come back, I'll finish remaining questions. Thank you.
Yes, welcome back. Now we have done up to question numbers 28, it seems. Isn't it? then 29 onwards. As your time starts now, question numbers 29 onwards, they are based on coded inequalities. Question number 29. Now in this one, now the relation between G and S. Now here both the conclusions are in between G and S, hence G to S. What is the only symbol we have? And the symbol that is count. Forget about this equals to G greater than or equals to S. Hence S is either lesser than or equals to G. Hence either lesser than or equals to choice 4 is the answer. Yeah, G greater than or equals to S. From the statement we have got that this one. And in the reverse it must be S lesser than or equals to G. That means S can be either lesser than or equals to. In the first one is claiming that it is lesser, and in the second equals to, hence either 1 or 2. Choice 4 is the answer, question number 29. Then coming to this question number 30. Now in this question number 30, please start working out this question number 30. Yes, any answer to this? Now the relation between W and E. Now between W and E, two opposite symbols, no relation can be drawn. And D and K, from K to D, K lesser than D, D greater than K, hence definitely true. Hence what is your answer? Only 2 is true. Choice 1 is the answer, question number 30. 30th it is choice 2. Then question number 31. Now in this question number 31, then coming to 31, the relation between H and S greater than lesser than two opposite symbols, R and P greater than lesser than two opposite symbols. Hence neither 1 nor 2. Neither 1 nor 2, that is choice 2. It is neither 1 nor 2 because both the symbols are opposite. Then question number 32. Now in this 32 onwards, it is based on a sequence. Isn't it? How many questions were given? 32 to 35. 32 to 35 are the 4 questions given under this one. Then start working question number 32. Your time starts now. Any answer this question number 32? Now in this one, now if all the symbols are deleted from the above arrangement, then which are the following will be 11th element from the left hand. 11th element from the left hand without the symbols. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. That is 3. That is given choice 5, question number 32. Clear now? Now while counting this one, we are not supposed to count the symbol. అంతేగాని ఇంకొకసారి రాసే పని లేకుండా ఏం చేస్తాం చెప్పండి, నేను సింబల్స్ తప్పించి రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్ని కౌంట్ చేసుకుంటూ పోతాం. Then 32. Then coming to question number 33. Yes, anyone done? Now in this, how many such symbols are there? Now the question is about a symbol. I am representing symbol with S, and each of which is immediately followed by a number and also preceded by an alphabet. That means preceded by an alphabet letter and followed by a number. Hence letter, symbol and number should be the sequence. Directly letter, symbol and number, And next one, letter, symbol but not number, and letter, symbol and number, letter, symbol and number, isn't it? Letter, symbol and number. Hence, altogether, how many we have? We have 4 choice 2. By representing this way only, it could be easy for you to deal with these type of questions. Clear? అందుకే ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈ విధంగా రాసుకోండి. లెటర్, సింబల్, నెంబర్ 3 వరుసగా ఉండాలి. లెటర్ జే, సింబల్ కాపీరైట్, నెంబర్ 6. లెటర్, ఈ లెటర్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చాం, సింబల్ వచ్చింది కానీ నెంబర్ లేదు కనుక దిస్ సింబల్ ఈజ్ రూల్డ్ అవుట్. And in this one, letter, symbol, number, and so on. Clear? Exactly 433. Then coming to 34. Now in this 34, which of the following is the 9th element to the right of 15th element from the right hand? Question number 34. Now in this, which of the following is the 9th to the right of, 9th to the right of, 15th from the right? Now right and right, right and right means same direction. We need to subtract 15 minus 9, 6 from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. R is the answer, or that is choice 3. Clear now? Hence question number 34, it is choice 3 is the answer. Yes, 35 is also based on this sequence. Then try to work out this. Then, how many alphabets are there between the 8th letter from the left? 1, 2, 8th element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th element from the left and 9th element from the right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, between these two, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Isn't it? And so, how many are there? There are 5 such letters. 5 that is given in choice 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 in between these two. 5 that is choice 3 is the answer. Question number 35. Clear now? Five choice 3. Now here, this is not a letter. And if it is a letter, then it would be 6. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, next 5. Done? Then next one. Question number 36 onwards. Now in this question number 36 onwards, it is an individual question. Then start working out this. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word? Yes, 1 minute. Now, how many alphabets are there between 8th letter from the left and a 7th letter from the right? 7th element from the right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, 7th from the left and this one more letter will be included then, isn't it? Hence, 6 is the answer choice 1. Sorry, here question number 35. Now, here 7th element from the right, but not the 9th element. Earlier, we have considered 9th element. Hence, one more element will be included. 6 is the answer. Okay. Then coming to question number 36. Now question number 36. In this one, now what is the question we have? LONGAD, long. And in this, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word? Each of which has as many letters between them. Starting with L, M, N. M, N, O, P, Q. O, no letter more than this one. N kanna pedda letter led. G kanna pedda letter led. That's it. And left to right, D, E, F, G, H, I. And E, F, G, H, I. Isn't it? Then next one, and G, H, I, J, N, O, N, N, O. Hence, how many were there? There are all together 3 such pairs. 3, that is choice 3. Clear? Question number 36, it is choice 3. Then 37 onwards, they are based on syllogisms. Now, syllogism, first question in this syllogism, start working out this. Now, how many questions were given under this one? Yes, all the 4 questions are based on these syllogisms. Yes, any answer to this? Then coming to this one, no pencil is an eraser. How to represent this one? This is a pencil and this is an eraser. No pencil is an eraser, and at the same time only few cages are pencils. Only few cages, కొన్ని మాత్రమే అన్ని కాదు అని అన్నాడు. Only few cages are pencils but not all. All cages are eraser. Cage ఇక్కడ ఉంది, eraser ఇక్కడ ఉంది, that is false. No cage is an eraser. Cage and eraser, that is definitely true. And the second one, no cage is an eraser, true అయింది కాబట్టి alternate diagram, some cages are eraser. Eraser రాసుకోవచ్చు కాబట్టి this will be false. Now this is false. ఇంతకు ముందు ఫాల్స్ అయిన అఫర్మేటివ్ కన్క్లూజన్ ఆల్ కేజెస్ ఆర్ ఎరేజర్, ట్రూ అయిందా? లేదు, లేదు కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా ఫాల్స్. హెన్స్ నైదర్ వన్ నాట్ టు చాయిస్ వన్. క్లియర్ నౌ? హెన్స్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 37, ఇట్ ఈస్ చాయిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎయిదర్ ఆర్. ఎయిదర్ ఆర్ రావాలంటే సమ్ రావాలి. అప్పుడు ఇది ట్రూ, ఇది ఫాల్స్ అయినప్పుడు ఇది ట్రూ అయిందా? అవ్వలేదు. ఇది కూడా ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఫాల్స్ అయింది కనుక ఫస్ట్ది ఎప్పుడు ఫాల్స్, సెకండ్ది ఇంతకుముందు ట్రూ అయింది, ఇప్పుడు ఫాల్స్ అయింది. హెన్స్ నైదర్ వన్ నాట్ టు 37. Then coming to this 38. Now in this 38, your time starts now here. Then coming to this one, no bed is an orange. Now this is a bed and this is an orange. No intersection between these two, bed and orange. All pens are bed. All these pens is a part of this bed. All oranges are what? All these oranges are grams. Then first one, no pen is an orange. Pen is here, orange is here, definitely true. And some pens are grams. Pen is here, gram is here, that is false. Now the first one is what? No pen is an orange. Pen, no pen is an orange అంటే పెన్ను ఆరెంజ్ కలవకూడదు అన్నాడు. నా పెన్ను చూడండి ఆరెంజ్ ఇందులోకి రాకూడదు అంటే లోపలికి కూడా రాకూడదు. దిస్ విల్ బి ట్రూ ఫర్ ఎవర్. And next one, second one will be false. Then what is your answer? Only one follows, choice one. ఫాలో అయ్యారా? ఈ ఆరెంజ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఈ పై సర్కిల్లోకే రాకూడదు కనుక లోపల సర్కిల్లోకి కూడా రాకూడదు కనుక ఇది మనకి ఫస్ట్ కన్క్లూజన్ 80% ఫాల్స్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సే లేదు. ఇది ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలంటే ఈ రెండు కలవాలి, పెన్ను ఆరెంజ్. క్లియర్? దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సమ్ పెన్స్ ఆర్ గ్రామ్. పెన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది, గ్రామ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి దట్ ఈస్ ఫాల్స్. హెన్స్ ఓన్లీ వన్ ఫాలోస్ 38. Then coming to question number 39. Now in this 39, if you observe here, the question is one and the same. Your time starts now. Start working on this. Now question number 39. Yes, you need 37. Yes. Kalyan, I'll explain once again. Now coming to this one. Now in this, all bets can never be gram. ఈ బెట్స్ అన్ని 80% గ్రామ్స్ అవ్వవు అని అన్నాడు. అవ్వు అంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి? అవుతున్నాయో లేదో ట్రై చేస్తున్నాం. బెడ్స్ అన్ని గ్రామ్స్ అవ్వాలి అనుకుంటే బెడ్ ఇక్కడికి రావాలి. బెడ్ ఇక్కడికి రావచ్చా? బెడ్ దీంతో కలవకూడదు, ఆరెంజ్ ఇక్కడ రావచ్చు కదా. కనుక మనకేం పాసిబుల్ అయింది? ఆల్ బెడ్స్ ఆర్ గ్రామ్స్ ఈజ్ పాసిబుల్. Here is claiming that it is not possible, will be wrong. Then second, some grams are not pen. No gram is a pen, definitely true అయింది. ఇది ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలంటే now I need to go for an alternate diagram. All grams are pens and prove చేయాలి. All grams are pen means my pen must be like this. Can I draw pen like this? If I draw pen like this, then along with this pen, now this beds will also come. Hence no bed is an orange will become false. Hence what is your answer here? 2 will be true forever. Hence 2 follows, only 1 is the answer. ఫాలో అయ్యారా? ఇది ఫాల్స్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేశాను, ట్రై చేస్తే ఒక్కసారి కూడా ఫాల్స్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఒక్కసారి కూడా ఫాల్స్ అవ్వలేదంటే 100% డెఫినెట్లీ ట్రూ. Done. Question number 39, it is choice 1. Then coming to 40th. Now in this 40, only a few cans are watches. Whatever this, only a few cans are watches. Now in this only few cans are watches means only some cans are watches but not all. Konni matrame. Only some cans are watches but not all. All the cans cannot be watches. And all these foxes are cans. Now this entire fox is a part of this can. And some watches are fox. Watch is here, fox is here, no intersection between these two. No watch is a fox, watch and fox, no intersection, that is definitely true. Now, as the first conclusion has become true, second one is true. It is a negative conclusion. If the false and improve is some watches are fox. Watch and fox, tell me whether I can able to write the diagram like this or not. Fox, yes. By doing so, no, some watch or fox is true. No watch is a fox is false. ఇది ఫాల్స్ సైన్. ఇది ఫాల్స్ అయినప్పుడు ఇంతకు ముందు ఫాల్స్ అయిన అఫర్మేటివ్ కంక్లూజన్ ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది? ఇప్పుడు సమ్ watches are foxes, it has become true. Then what is your answer here? First to the true అయితే second the false అయింది, second true అయితే first the false అయింది. Hence it is either one or two, choice one. Clear now? Alternate diagram proven, complementary pair. Hence it is either or. Hope everyone got this four. Then one of you has asked for question number 37. Now in this 37, now sir, once again question number 37. No pencil is an eraser. ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? నో పెన్సిల్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఎరేజర్. పెన్సిల్, పెన్సిల్ ఎక్కడుంది? ఎరేజర్ ఎక్కడుంది? నో పెన్సిల్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఎరేజర్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ ఎ ఫ్యూ కేజెస్ ఆర్ పెన్సిల్స్. కొన్ని కేజెస్ మాత్రమే పెన్సిల్, కొన్ని మాత్రమే, బట్ నాట్ ఆల్. కొన్ని కేజెస్ మాత్రమే పెన్సిల్ అయింది. దెన్ ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఆల్ కేజెస్ ఆర్ ఎరేజర్. కేజ్ ఎక్కడుంది? ఎరేజర్ ఎక్కడుంది? ఫాల్స్ అయింది. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, నో కేజ్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఎరేజర్. కేజ్ ఎక్కడుంది? ఎరేజర్ ఎక్కడుంది? నో ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ. సెకండ్ వన్ ట్రూ అయింది. నో ఏ కంక్లూజన్ ట్రూ అయింది చెప్పండి? సెకండ్ కంక్లూజన్ ట్రూ అయింది. అండ్ ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ కంక్లూజన్ it is a negative conclusion. As the negative conclusion is true, then we need to check out whether it is 100% true or not. That means by drawing the complementary pair. What is a complementary? No cage is an eraser, false అవ్వాలంటే మనం ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? సమ్ కేజెస్ ఆర్ ఎరేజర్ అని చెప్పాలి. సమ్ కేజెస్ ఆర్ ఎరేజర్ అని మనం చెప్పచ్చా లేదా? నా ఎరేజర్ దీంతో కలవకూడదు, దీంతో కలవకుండా ఇలా రాయొచ్చు కదా. ఎరేజర్ ఇక్కడ రాసాం. ఇక్కడ రాస్తే ఏమైపోయింది? సమ్ కేజెస్ ఆర్ ఎరేజర్స్ ట్రూ అయింది. సమ్ కేజెస్ ఆర్ ఎరేజర్ ట్రూ అయితే ఇంతకు ముందు ట్రూ అయిన నో కేజీస్ అండ్ ఎరేజర్ ఫాల్స్ అయింది. కనుక ఇంతకు ముందు ట్రూ అయిన నెగిటివ్ కంక్లూజన్ ఫాల్స్ చేయగలిగాం. ఫాల్స్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఇట్ కెనాట్ బి 100% డెఫినెట్లీ ట్రూ. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఇది ఫాల్స్ అయినప్పుడు ఇంతకు ముందు ఫాల్స్ అయింది ట్రూ అయిందో లేదో చూడండి. ఎఫర్మేటివ్ కంక్లూజన్ అది ఆల్ కేజెస్ ఆర్ ఎరేజర్స్. ఆల్ కేజెస్ ఆర్ ఎరేజర్స్ ట్రూ అయిందా? అవ్వలేదు. సమ్ కేజెస్ ఆర్ ఎరేజర్స్ అయింది, ఆల్ అయితే అవ్వలేదు. కనుక ఇది కూడా ఫాల్స్ అయింది. ఇది ఫాల్స్ అయింది, ఇది ఫాల్స్ అయింది. దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నైదర్ వన్ నాట్ టూ. చాయిస్ వన్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. క్లియర్? Yes, so hope you have done this one. Now as of now we have done with this paper. Now the easiest questions we have done in the first glance. Then we need to move on to our strategy. ఇంకా మిగిలిపోయింది ఏం చెప్పండి? Then we have left with boxes and certain number of questions, isn't it? Now boxes question number 6 onwards. Now question number 6 onwards. Your time starts now. Let's start working out this question number 6. There are 7 boxes are kept one above the other. Your time starts now. Is done? Good. Now in these boxes, then 7 boxes are there. Box N is kept immediately below L. N is immediately below L. L కింద N ఉంది. N is immediately below L. And only two boxes are between N and O. N ki O ki measure exactly 2. Hence 1, 2. O can be above this N or O can be below this N. Isn't it? Now two boxes between N and O. There are exactly two boxes between N and O. Only one box is between O and V. In between O and V there must be exactly one. Here below is not possible. Hence V and O. Now between O and V, 1, 2, 3, V can be either here or V can be here. If V is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there are two different possibilities. V is kept at one of the positions above O. As V is kept at one of the positions above O, V must be here. V is kept at one of the positions above O. Then next one. And what is the next one we have? And only three boxes are kept between V and S. In between V and S, there must be exactly 3, 1, 2, 3. S must be at the bottom. And only three boxes between V and S, 1, 2, 3. L and S must be in the same place, which is not possible. Hence the first case got invalid. Now we were left with only the second case. And S is kept at one of the positions below V. S is below V. M is kept at one of the positions above K. Now this is M and this is K. Now this is the final arrangement we have. Then according to this one, how many boxes are below K? Yes, how many boxes? There is exactly one box, that is choice Y. One box, choice 5. Question number 6, it is choice 5. Then seventh one. Now question number 7, try to work out the seventh. 4 out of the following is nothing but an odd man out. Then question number 7. Then O and S. In between O and S, there is exactly one box. N and O. N and O, there are two boxes. L and V. L and V, there is one box. M and N, there is one box. Then what is your answer here? Choice 2 is the answer, except choice 2. And in the remaining, there is exactly one box between these two. Done with this? Question number 7, it is choice 2. Then question number 8. Which box is kept immediately above box M? Now in this one, which box is kept immediately above M? That is V. Box V, that is choice 4. Question number 8. 8, it is choice 4. Then coming to question number 9. Which of the following is definitely true? Which of the following is true as per the given arrangement? Then in this one, only one box is between L and K. In between L and K, one box, that is false. And V is kept fourth from the top. 1, 2, 3. It is at the third, but not fourth. 2 is false. Choice for S is kept immediately below N. S is below N is, that is again false. L is kept at the topmost box, that is definitely true. Choice 5 is the answer. Done. Question number 9, it is choice 5. Then 10th one. Question number 10. Then in this 10th one, if all the boxes are arranged as per the English alphabetical order from bottom to top, then K, L, M, N, O, S, and V. Then tell me, is there any box that remain at the same place? No. No box remain at the same place, that is none. Choice 3. Question number 10. Now we have done with these 5 questions as well. And finally, we have left 3 more questions. And what are those 3? And 22 to 24 certain number. Now the last three questions in this reasoning, 22 to 24. Then in this, start working out this certain number of persons in a single line. Then in this, all these persons are facing towards north is clearly given. A sits, what is the position of A? A sits to the immediate left of B. As A is to the immediate left of B, A is to the immediate left of B. And only two people between B and C. In between B and C, there must be exactly two people. 1, 2, C can be either to the right hand side or C can be to the left hand side of B. 1, 2, two persons between B and C. We have taken both the possibilities. D sits second to the left of C. 1, 2, D will be here. D sits second to the left of C and D must be at this place. D sits second to the left of C and next one D sits second from one of the extreme ends of the line. As D is at second from one of the extreme ends of the line, in this case D is at least at the third place. Hence this is ruled out. As D is second from one of the extreme ends, D must be from the second from the left extreme. And only 8 people are in between D and E. In between D and E, there must be exactly 8. Left hand side is not possible because there is only one person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 persons between D and E. E sits fourth from one of the extreme ends of the line. Hence, there must be 3 persons to the right hand side of E. Now, this is the final arrangement we have. Then, coming to this question here. Now, in this question, what is the information we have in this? And if F sits second to the left of E, F is seated second to the left of E means F must be here. How many people are in between F and E? In between F and E, there are exactly 2 people. 2 that is given in choice 5, question number 22. Then coming to 23. Start working out this. How many people are sitting in the given line? Total number of people sitting in this line. Then in this one, total number of people, if you count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Hence all together we have 14 people. Hence 14 persons are there. Choice 4 is the answer, question number 23. Then finally question number 24 in this reasoning section. I start working out this. If S sits to the immediate right of D, S is to the immediate right of D, what is the position of B with respect to S? Now S sits to the immediate right of D. Now in this one, S is to the immediate right of D, S will be here. What is the position of B with respect to S? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the right. Now 4 to the right, that is given in choice 1, question number 24. Done with this, we have done with this reasoning section. Then now let us check out what else is left over here. All the questions we have done with this one. Now wrong number series, question number 62 onwards. Now let us start working out this. Now this wrong number series must be the last priority. Then start working out this one, question number 62. Your time starts now. Only 4 questions were given under this. Yes, coming to this. Now, if you go for the difference between these two numbers, what is the difference we have? The difference between these two is how much? 2. Next one, 4 and 11, the difference is how much? 7. Here, the difference between these two is 27. And next difference between these two is 64. What are these numbers? 27, 64 are nothing but cubes. Then this must be 125 and this is 216. Check out these differences here. Then 6 cube, 5 cube, 4 cube, 3 cube. Hence here it must be 2 cube and 1 cube. Hence 1 cube when added to this one, 1. 2 plus 1, that is 3 is the correct number. If it is 3, then 3 plus 8, 2 cube, that is 11. Done. Hence what is the wrong number here? 4 is the wrong number. And in the place of 4, 3 is the correct number. 4, that is choice 5. Cubes are added. Plus 1 cube, plus 2 cube, plus 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube and 6 cube are added. Question number 62. Then coming to question number 63. Yes, next one. If you observe here, the numbers are increasing and decreasing. 2.1, 1.5, again increased, again decreased. Whenever the numbers are increasing and decreasing, then you should go for alternate series. Done. Now 2.1 and 2.7, what is the difference? We have 6.6. Next one, 2.7 and 3.5. Hence here, what is the difference we have? The difference is not 2.7, this is 0.8. Next one, 35 and 39, this is again 35 and 39, this is 3. Then if you check out here, 1.5, this is 4 and this is 0.3, isn't it? 2.1 plus 6, 27 and 35. Now here it is 8. Now let's go through this one once again. 2.1 and 1.5, what is the difference here? The difference is minus 6. Then 15 and this one, this is 12. And 27, what is the difference we have? 27 and 9. 27 and 9, the difference is 18. And next one, 6, 12, 18. Next one is 24. 9 plus 24, the number must be 35. Done. Hence, what is the wrong number here? 35 is the wrong number. 3.3 is the correct number. 3.3 is the correct number. Then in the alternate also, if you observe here, now here the difference is 6. Next one must also be 6. Next one is also 6. 3.3 plus 6 will be 3.9. 63. Then 64. Now in the 64, then in this one, as the numbers are increasing at a smaller rate, then we need to go for the difference. The first difference is 3. Now here the difference is 4. Next difference is 6. And 17 plus 9 is 26. And 26 and 41, here the difference is how much? 15. And next one, 41 and 57, the difference is 16. Isn't it? Then, now in this one, 3 and 1. 3 and 4, the difference is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Difference of differences. 6 plus 3 is 9. Then 9 plus 4, 13 must be added. Now if you add 13 to this one, 26 plus 13, 39 is the correct one. Hence 41 is the wrong one and 39 is the correct. Clear now? Hence 26 plus 13, 39. Now choice 1, question number 64. And finally question number 65 in this. then 65. Now if you observe here, numbers starting with 5 and increase it to 2000, numbers are increasing at a very faster rate, hence it must be product or difference, product or combination. Product is not possible because there are no two adjacent number which are perfect multiples, hence it must be combination. Combination 5 and 4, 5 into 1 minus 1, 5, 4 into 2, 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 into 3, 21 minus 1, into 1 minus 1, into 2 minus 1, into 3 minus 1, into 4 minus 1 is 79, into 5 minus 1. 9 minus 5 is 45 minus 1. The last digit must be 4. Hence this is the wrong number. Done. 396, that is choice 4. Now with this we have come to an end of this section. And next over to quant section.
Yes, dear students, wrong number series are also done. Now we are left with only arithmetic questions, which starts from 46 and 56 onwards. We have Q1 and Q2s. So our first priority, 46 onwards, arithmetic questions. Come on, let's start these questions and finish it off. Yes. The respective ratio of speed of the boat downstream and the speed of the water current is 5:1. This is 5 parts and it is 1 part. The boat can travel 12.6 kilometers upstream. Upstream in the sense m minus s. M is equal to 4 parts. M minus s is equal to 3 parts. 3 parts is equal to 12.6 kilometers covered in 84 minutes. Minutes converts to hours. That is 60. And that is going to be 9 kilometer per hour. From this, P is equal to 3. What is the speed of the current? 3. Fifth option is our final answer. Speed of the current. Fifth option. Perfect. See, instead of using this formula, we have already discussed. Instead of this process, we can do something else. What is that? In 84 minutes, if 12.6 kilometers covered, we'll try to identify for 60 minutes. Identify relation. Half of this number 42. When you add these two, you'll get 12.6. Half of this number 30. 60, 30, 90. 90 should be written as 9.0. That's how we are getting 9 here. Next. For the next question, your time starts now. The compound interest on R rupees for 2 years at 20% per annum. Compound interest is going to be 44% effective rate of interest. That is equal to 1716. Then 1% is divided by 44 and 100%. Principal is equal to into 100. What would be the simple interest on R plus 1400? So we need to calculate R value. Now 11 4 times, 11 once, 5 times and then 6 times. This is 3 times and then 9 times. This is R is equal to 3900 plus 1400, in the sense that is 5300. For 3 years at 14% simple interest. For 1 year 14%, for 3 years 42%. 1% into 42. That means answer must end with 6. How many options are ending with 6? There is only one. Second option is our final answer. The option which is ending with 6, because 1% into 42. 3 into 2, 6. There is only one option. Next, question number 48, and your time starts now. You don't have to calculate the complete answer. AB started a business by investing X rupees and then X plus 3000 rupees respectively. After 9 months from the start of the business, B left. So B is there for 9 months. If the respective ratio of A share and B share is given, which is as 8 by 9. A is there from the beginning, so 12 months. 9 gets cancelled. 4 3 times, 4 2 times. So now 2x and 3x difference is x. 3000 into 2, that is equal to 6000. Find the value of x, that is 6000. Fifth option is our final answer. Fifth option 6000 is our final answer. We are simply using investment multiplied by time ratio, which is equal to profit sharing ratio. That's all. Nothing much is complicated here. And here you go for your next question. The area of the square 324, which is 18 square, hence side is equal to 18. The perimeter of the rectangle is 30 meters more than the perimeter of the given square. Perimeter of the square, that is 4 times of 18, which is equal to 72, and then 30 more than this number, that is 102. 102 is equal to 2 times of L plus B, then L plus B is equal to 51. If the breadth of the rectangle is 19, if B is equal to 19, subtract it, length becomes 32. Now what is the area? 19 into 32, answer must end with 8. How many options are ending with 8? There is only one fellow, 6 not 8. Third option is our final answer. So while reading the question itself, we need to process the data. That is very important. First time if you want to read the entire question, and second time if you want to again read it for getting the data, which is a time consuming method. Don't do that mistake. And your question starts now. Yes. A train can cross an electric pole in 12 seconds. Had the length of the train been 60 meters less, it could have crossed 500 meters platform in 28 seconds. What is the actual length of the train? So in both cases we have same train, so speed must be same. Let the train length be x, and in first case it is taking 12 seconds, and in second case length of the train is 60 meters less, and it is crossing a 500 meters platform and is taking 28 minutes time. 4 3 times here, 4 7 times here. 7x and 3x difference is equal to 4x. This is 440 into 3. Now x value is equal to 4 110 times into 3. 330 is our answer, which is fifth option. 330. Fifth option is our final answer. As we have same train, speed in first case is equal to speed in second case. That's the simple point we are doing. Next. And here is your time for next question. The profit earned when an article is sold at 42% profit is 110.4 more than that earned when the same article is sold at 18%. So difference in terms of profit is equal to 24%, which is equal to 110.40. Then 1% is equal to divided by 24. What would be the selling price of the article if it is sold at 25% profit? 25% profit in the sense it is 125 percentage. Now cancellation with 24. 24 4 times, that is 96. 96 in the sense 144 we have. 144 is equal to 6 times of this number. 4.600 times, that is 4600. 25 times is 1/4 of this number, that is 1150. 5750 is our final answer. 5750. Yes, all the values must have, yes, 06. Yes, 4.6 correct. Yes, ఇంకో జీరో ఉండదండి ఇక్కడ. కరెక్ట్, నాదే మిస్టేక్. 4.6 into 100, 460. And దానిలో half, 575. It's my mistake. Yes. Next question, 52. Oh, Raja, Hemant, 23 multiple. How can you verify it, man? Of the three numbers, the average of first and second is greater than. Average of first and second is greater than second and third number by 49. Average of second and third, and the difference is first, second gets cancelled. First number minus third number by 2 is equal to 49. Then 49 2 times, that is equal to 98. Difference between first and third number is 7 parts. Then one part is equal to by 7. You're asked to calculate first number 9 parts into 9. 7 14 times here. 14 into 9, that is equal to 126. First option is our final answer. 126. 126 final answer. And here is your next question. కరెక్టేనండి. 23 మల్టిపుల్ వెరిఫై చేయాలి కదా, అది నేను అంటున్నది. ట్వంటీ త్రీ మల్టిపుల్ ఇందులో వెరిఫై చేయాలంటే టైం పడుతుంది కదా. 23 మల్టిపుల్ నాకైతే రాదు. రైట్, లెట్ మీ స్టార్ట్. The sum of 4 consecutive even numbers is 83 more than sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. So even numbers x, x plus 2, x plus 4, and then x plus 6. There are 3 consecutive odd numbers. We'll see that later. The sum of largest, smallest odd number and largest even number is 69. Now, so 63 minus x. If you start with this number, sum of these two numbers is equal to 69. Next number becomes 65 minus 5. Next consecutive odd number 65 minus 6. Sum of all these values is equal to 4x plus 12, and sum of these numbers is equal to 195 minus 3x, and the difference is equal to 83. So this number plus 83, 4x plus 12 plus 83, that is 95, is equal to 195 minus 3x. 3x comes to left hand side, 95 goes to other side, that is equal to 290. There is something wrong. Is 83 more? Yes. Let me write it. 4x plus 12 is equal to this number plus 83. 7x is equal to 12 goes to the other side. Then this value becomes minus 12. Minus 12 in the sense here 71 will be there. That is equal to 266. X is equal to divided by 7. 7 3s 21, 56, 8 times. So x is equal to 38. And you're asked to calculate smallest even number. Smallest even number is x, which is equal to 38. 38, third option is our final answer. This is sum of even numbers. This is sum of odd numbers. According to the condition, sum of 4 consecutive even numbers, that is 4x plus 12 is equal to 83 more than this number. 83 more than sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. 12 is subtracted from this number, then you'll have 71. 195 plus 71, that is equal to 266. Minus 3x comes to this side. 7x is equal to this much. X is equal to by 7, which is 38. Yes. And your next question? 38, correct answer. The population of a village B was 2,400 in 2003. It increased by 10%, that is 260 increase, 2640 it becomes. And by certain percentage from 2004 to 2005. And population of village B was 3036 in 2005. What was the percentage increase? Now, difference between both the numbers is equal to 396. 10% of this number is 264 and 5% is 132. When you add both, you are getting 396. 10% plus 5%. 15% is our answer. That is equal to fifth option. 15% increase. Yes. And here is your next question. Yes, A can finish a piece of work in 63 days. He worked alone for 28 days and B replaced him. B could finish one third of the remaining work in 10 days. See, out of 63 days work of A, he already worked for 28 days. Then A can complete the remaining work in 35 days. Now, B can complete one third of the remaining work in 10 days. Then remaining work can be done by B in 30 days. So remaining work can be done by A in 35 days and B in 30 days. How many days can B alone finish the total work? Now if you observe the ratio here, this is equal to 7:6. A can complete the total work in 63. If 7 parts is equal to 63, 1 part is 9. 6 into 9, 54 days is our answer. That is equal to first option, final answer. Now do remember, this is about remaining work and this is about total work. Out of 63 days, A already worked for 28 days. Then remaining can be done by A in 35 days. The same can be done by B in 30 days because out of remaining, one third he can complete it in 10 days. Then total remaining can be done by B in 30 days. Now when you observe the ratio between A and B, it becomes 7:6 here. Total work can be done by A in 63 days, which is equal to 7 parts. Then 1 part is equal to 9. Then only 7, 9, 63. 6 into 9, 54 days is our final answer. Yes, perfect. Next. Mahesh Bujji. 35, 30 అయితే 60, 54. Correct. Mahesh Bujji. మీరు ఎక్కడ స్టూడెంట్? Are you my student? That's fine, CC, but are you my student? That's my question. Right. A car travels first 120 kilometers in 40 minutes and next 180 kilometers in 80 minutes. The average speed. Total distance by total time. Total distance covered is 120 and 180, that is equal to 300. And total time taken 40 minutes plus 80, that is 120 minutes. Minutes converts to hours, that is 2 hours, which is equal to 150. This is Q1 value. And next Q2. Speed of the car which travels 288 kilometers in 3 hours. So 288 in 3 hours per hour is equal to divided by 3. So this is definitely less than 100. Hence Q1 is more than Q2. First option is our final answer. Q1 is more than Q2. Q1 more than Q2 is our final answer. And here is your next question. Okay. Next 36, 57. Circle C1 has a radius 10.5. We'll write it as 21 divided by 2. And the side of the square is equal to 19. Area of the circle. Area pi r square 22 by 7 into r square 21 by 2 21 by 2. Area of the square 19 square. 19 square Q2 is easy to calculate, which is 361. And this is Q1 value. 7 3 times here, 2 11 times here. 3 into 21, that is equal to 63. 63 11 times. 630 plus 63, that is equal to 693. Divided by 2 also we have, that is equal to 346.5. Q1 is less than Q2. Q1 less than Q2. Second option is our final answer. Q1 less than Q2. Second option. Right. Here is your next question. అప్రాక్సిమేట్ తీసుకుంటే ఈజీ అనండి. అప్రాక్సిమేట్ తీసుకుంటే తిడతారేమో అని తీసుకోవాలి అంతే. Inlet A fills an empty tank in 24 hours and inlet B can fill the same tank in 36 hours and outlet C can fill the tank in 60 hours. Right. Now let's go for LCM, which is equal to 360. A can do 15 units, B can do 10 units and C can empty 6 units. These are all A comma B comma C. Now what is Q1? Q1 says time taken by inlet A to fill 3/8 of the tank. 3/8 of the tank this has to be filled by A when inlet B is closed and C is open. So A and C are open. When both are there, 9 units per hour it can do. And Q2, time taken by inlet B to fill 1/6 of the tank. 1/6 of the tank in the sense 360 into 1 by 6, and inlet A is closed and C is open. BC together can do 4 units divided by 4. Now 9, 40 times 8, 5 times 3 into 5, this is 15. 6, 60 times 60 by 4, this is 15. 15 and 15 both are equal. Hence, option 5 is our final answer. Option 5 is our final answer. Q1 and Q2 both are equal and correct. Both Q1 and Q2 are equal. ఇది Q1, ఇది Q2. Units method look well. Yes, so with this, we are done with the entire paper. 59 onwards, we have already completed. Those are quadratic equation questions. Right. So, we'll meet in next session, guys. Thank you very much for attending the session. We'll meet you tomorrow. Thank you.